So DJI have given us a new version of their app, yet another 1.5.1, and this is build 2025. However, this might actually be one that you are able to install with confidence that it will fix the problems with Android 12. So to install this update, you can very simply go to the DJI site as usual, and then you hit that download button for Android, and you can see this is version 2025. Okay, go through the motions, click install, let it do its thing, click open, and then we go into the profile and then settings, and you can see that is 1.5.1 version 2025. And of course, as usual, I have left a link to my Google Drive in the video description, where, as you know, I host all of the app updates. If you ever want to roll back or just download a specific version, you'll be able to find them there. So just recently, there has been quite a few issues with anybody who has a Samsung phone. The 21 Ultra is the main culprit, and of course Google Pixel phones as well, which are running Android 12. There has been an issue where when you are trying to open the DJI Fly app, it opens, but your video feed is simply a black screen. Now, when DJI dropped this update today, obviously I contacted some people that I know that have had a few problems with this update and this Android 12 not being compatible with the DJI Fly app, and so far it seems so good, and there's a huge possibility that this app version has actually fixed those problems. Now, I would like to stress, just with a little bit of, or just to put this into perspective, because I do appreciate that sometimes DJI do get a bit of a bashing on this channel, but let's be completely fair. Of course, when you are looking at an iOS device, or if you have an iOS device, of course, all DJI need to do is write one app for one operating system, and that is that. Of course, with Android, where you've got so many different operating systems and you've got so many different devices that run different versions of Android, or their own little builds, you know, it is quite difficult for DJI to be able to cater for absolutely everybody. And then, of course, when Android do drop this Android 12 operating system update, you can see why DJI's current software that was designed for Android 11 might not work. So yeah, it's massively frustrating that you guys have missed out on valuable flying time, but please do give DJI a little bit of credit. It's not taken them long to seemingly fix this problem, and just appreciate the work that does go into what they need to do to cater for the masses. But anyway, looking back at some of the other features then, here I have the DJI Mini 2. And as we already know, there was a couple of existing issues when it came to this drone and the DJI Fly app. Now, as you can see on screen, I have done some of this bit of testing, and I can confirm that the aircraft rotation yaw speeds still do not reset, and we still don't have the facility where the DJI Fly app places a smaller compressed cache file of your photo or recording onto your phone's device. However, it's not a major issue, because you can very simply go into the library and then you can see the file there and download it straight to your device. And as you can see, there seems to be another little menu this time where you can choose either or. Obviously, I've chosen for it to save to the folder on my phone, which is what I want, but it does appear you're going to have to do that manually. So flicking through the menus, I can see no other changes to this. Of course, as it currently stands, I have only tested the Mini 2, and you know, if you're looking at me in a strange environment, I'm actually on holiday. Actually, I've taken a nice little break away here in the UK to a log cabin, but still, I don't stop working for you guys and wanted to bring this update. So if you do have an Android 12 device, please do let me know if this has fixed the issue of the black screen for you. Like I said, I'm posting this video because I have had a great number of people tell me that it is fixed for them, so presumably, you know, it should be fixed for the masses. But of course, some may still remain, but I'm sure DJI will be on it at some point, and hopefully as soon as possible if it's not. So that wraps up the video. Not a particularly long one, but yeah, I just wanted to bring this update and make you aware, because of course many of you as I've already mentioned, might be stuck at home, unable to fly due to this black screen, and hopefully with this update you're going to get that fixed. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to check out all my other videos. I will post a couple of links there that I think you might want to watch. Please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you found this video useful. See you again soon.